Natural toothpaste. Homemade. Would you like to make some? I'm going to give you a recipe today, okay? Let's get into the video. It smells so good. Hello? How's everyone doing? My name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today I have more recipes for you for natural toothpaste. I have more recipes. So go get your paper and pen and come on back. We're gonna talk about toothpaste, DIY toothpaste, homemade natural toothpaste recipes, okay? Let's get into this video. But before we start getting into the video, let me say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. Glennceria Loving Hands, love you and appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands. Family, we appreciate you as well. Come on, guys, let's get into this video and stop playing. All right. It's Chill Out Friday. How's everybody doing today on this Chill Out Friday? Let's take some deep breaths in, okay? In through our nose and out through our mouths. Let's go. Ah, great. Woo! Needed that. Let me get my glasses on and let's get into this. So, I have natural toothpaste recipes for you, all right? The first one is 5 tablespoons of baking soda, 4 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, 10 drops of sweet orange oil essential oil, 1 to 2 packs of stevia. You know what stevia is? That's a sugar substitute. And 1 teaspoon of raw honey. So it's one or the other. Either you use 1 or 2 packs of stevia, or you can use 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Okay, so you're going to mix that all up, put it into a tight glass jar would be better. And you're done. You have your toothpaste, all natural toothpaste. You apply a small amount to your toothbrush and brush your teeth. It's as simple as that. Would you like to have another recipe? I'll give you another recipe, but let's do the quote of the day. The quote of today is, relax and chill out. How about that? Let's just relax and chill out. It's Friday. Just do what you want to do, you know? Just chill out. Get your favorite beverage and just enjoy yourself. Next recipe is a half a cup of baking soda, 2 to 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil, 30 to 35 drops of peppermint essential oil. Place your baking soda and your organic coconut oil into your glass jar. Stir in your 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add your 30 to 35 drops of peppermint essential oil into your mixture and you're done. Stir it up and you're good to go. Let me know down in the comments, have you ever tried natural toothpaste or have you ever made one yourself, okay? And tell me what essential oil did you use. All right? And it smells so good, so good. Guys, you have a good weekend and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you Monday and don't forget to hit that notification bell. Subscribe to my channel and become part of Glennceria Loving Hands family. I would truly appreciate that. Love you so much. Mwah. From Glennceria Loving Hands. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, I upload Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, guys. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Bye-bye for now. Listen, try some of these toothpaste recipes. You're going to enjoy them, okay? And comment down below and let me know. Appreciate you. Thank you so much.